Use set fast screws designed for adjustable height when securing a toilet to a flange for the most reliable long-term hold. For a secure installation, start by choosing set fast screws sized for the flange and toilet base hole spacing. Typically, a 3/4 inch to 1 inch exposed thread above the flange is sufficient, though measure to be sure. If the flange sits lower than the finished floor, consider using a spacer or flange extender and longer set fast screws so the threads engage properly without bottoming out. Tighten nuts evenly and alternate sides to compress the wax ring without cracking the porcelain, and stop when the toilet just begins to feel snug to avoid over-tightening. Use stainless steel hardware in coastal or damp locations to prevent corrosion that can seize bolts over time. If you must use standard toilet flange bolts, drive them through nylon sleeves or use brass washers to distribute load and reduce vibration loosening. After seating the toilet, check for any rocking by placing shims made for plumbing under the base. Then trim shims flush with a utility knife and cover with caulk only at the back to allow future removal. The three most common mistakes are over-tightening bolts, which cracks porcelain, using short screws that do not fully engage the flange hardware, and neglecting corrosion resistance, which leads to seized fasteners. If you over-tighten, ease pressure immediately and replace damaged bolts and any cracked wax seal, then re-tighten gradually and evenly. If screws are too short, replace them with proper set fast screws that allow height adjustment so the nut bears on solid thread rather than the flange lip. If corrosion is an issue, swap to stainless steel or brass components and apply a light silicone or plumber-approved anti-seize to the threads to make future removal easier. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides community discussions where we share real user experiences and practical tips about projects like toilet anchoring. We help contractors find work by letting them engage with homeowners and showcase their services in our active discussion community.